We're looking for a very, very special owl. So good morning guys, and welcome back to day 5 now of the Costa Rican bird photo tour with Ecoterra Adventures. And just at my accommodation here at the moment, and we've got a golden orb spider, which is massive. Just taken up residence overnight right outside my door. Nearly put my face in it this morning. Just have a quick look. It's a big ass spider. Put my hand behind and is big. That is one big spider. Well, I'm led to believe there's no deadly poisonous spiders in Costa Rica, but that's not the same for snakes, whereas snakes here are venomous and pretty harmful if you've not got the right medication nearby. But I've also seen a massive poop on my floor here. Now, it's not a cat, but it's pretty big, so not really sure what that is. But we're heading off today, going to find some different toucans, if we can, the black mandible, lots of other smaller bird species, and also we're looking for owls, maybe a bit of frogs as well, and a few lizards and things. So really excited to get out. Had breakfast. It's wet this morning, so jungle walk this afternoon instead of this morning, and we'll do some birds this morning where we can, if we've got some shelter nearby. But right, gonna head off, meet the clients, and get on the coach. So we are currently in the jungle, quite deep, on a very muddy trail after the rain. We're looking for a very, very special owl, the spectacle owl, which is a cracker, and it really does look like they're wearing spectacles. They've got lovely deep coloration to them, almost like a bluiness, which is amazing. So it's a big ass jungle and it's hard to find, but we've got a local guide here who knows his patch, so we're really hoping to get lucky. And I really want to show you this owl because I've never seen one, so stay tuned. This is what it's all about, guys. Getting in it, getting amongst it in the jungle here. Soaking wet, nice rivers running through, nice lot of bird sound. Yeah, pretty special. So we've got eyes on the spectacle owl. There's 2 of them there, a juvenile, and the other one I can't quite see. Not the best shot shooting like that with the light behind, but it's just amazing to see. The juvenile is pretty much nearly into adulthood. You can just see the white buff fluff on the top of the head, but amazing. Little faint call, absolutely superb. As an owl man, there it goes, just calling. It's made my morning so far. Amazing, and the clients are well happy.
After spotting the incredible spectacle owl, we headed out between rain showers to explore some local hotspots. With a quick stop for lunch along the way, we kept searching for more superb birds and wrapped up the adventure with another amazing owl sighting.
So we are leaving today at Hacienda La Isla here in Sarapiquí, and we're heading to the Central Highlands now for the Quetzal Lodge, which is kind of like my favourite place. So it's 2,600 metres, 8,500 feet up into the Central Highlands. So absolutely lovely place, really excited to get there. Some species there that are quite sedentary to that area, that altitude. So we've got the golden-crowned chlorophonia, the long-tailed silky flycatcher, the resplendent quetzal, to name a few. So really looking forward to that. Had 2 nights here, it's been real good, very hot and humid. Climate where we're going is roughly kind of like 10, 12 degrees, it can dip to about 6 degrees at night, so quite chilly when we've been in sort of 26, 27, 28 degrees, and obviously the humidity being really, really high here, like 70, 80%. So really excited. Just had breakfast, all packed up, waiting for the clients to come, and then we're going to head off. It's a beautiful drive when we get to the mountains, a huge area of untouched land there, but it's going to be fantastic. And then after that we have 2 further days after our 3-day stop there. But it's been great here in Sarapiquí, so stay tuned for lots more to come, hopefully on the channel with a few more videos of this absolutely awesome place.